So there are a couple of more things what I have to do before I can say it's done. And one pretty big one is the electricity. It's not the main thing what we need there, but it's mostly for lighting, to get some lights there, and also some outlets if I need to charge the phone or something like that. One cable is in there. I will need to buy the light for that later. I want something with the motion detector. Couple ones inside, but the big thing is I have to dig the cable from that building to this building underneath the ground, so it's made like it should be. So I need the cable back here. This is the back side of the building, and there I have the other cables, and I have to dig it here, bang, that direction. And this is actually nothing special, I can do this, but then when we get this part, I don't know really where to go, because for example here you can see the bedrock here. But anyway, then I will take it from this outlet. I have 3-phase power. What people usually say it's in the US it's some kind of industrial level, but no, in Finland we have every house the 3-phase power. But anyway, don't worry, I used to be an electrician like 15 years or more, so I have some clue what I'm doing here. So I will start here and then check where I can go there and check out my shovel. It's pretty different what you usually see in the US, guys, when you have straight handle and you have to dig like this. Then you can put your hand in this angle, you can get so much power and it's so much more ergonomic. So I don't really understand why don't everybody have this kind of shovels in every country, only in Finland and Sweden I think. Maybe Norway also, Nordic countries. But yeah, there's no excuses, I have to start digging, so let's see you after a half hour or so. I got the cable here. It was job for a couple of hours. Nothing so difficult after all. Just digging. And the cable is in the pretty much all the way. It's inside a pipe, just in case. It goes up here, and here's a connection box. It's behind the house, so you're not really able to see the cables. Here you can see a couple of cables. They go inside in here. And then let's go inside. So here's actually I made a light system. You will see it later. I will put it in there over the table. Here I have the counter desktop. What I will make later is a video about it. So don't worry, I will show how I made it. So here I have 4 switches and 2 outlets. I want to have a really basic electricity in here. I have a light there, but I will fix that to be better. And there's one cable in the roof there. I will make a little bit same like this, but only 2 lights. And I ordered it from online. There's one cable out there, and it will be with the motion detector, so that would be easy to use. But yeah, this kind of stuff. Now I will find some chainsaw chain, and I will use that for hanging the light from the roof. That will be awesome. Light in here also. It's just the old board, couple of LEDs. I painted them black and I think it looks awesome. I also painted black in this one, so they're black also. So my idea is to make two different kind of wood finish. Another one is for the cutting boards. There I will use the mineral oil and then I will put beeswax. Another one I will put boiled linseed oil and the beeswax. And I just bought the beeswax. It's a big chunk. It should be 1 kilo. Let's check it out how much I got. So this the reason why I'm making this myself. There's actually two reasons. Another one is that all the wood finishes are really expensive, and another one is that it's impossible to find these basic stuff what are really pure food safe stuff. So let's measure it. I have a scale here. Okay, it's a half gram off. Let's push that one. It's so accurate, I can blow there like, and you can see it moves. So anyway, let's check it out. Okay, it is 1 kilo, a little bit extra there. Nice. So the wax is so hard itself that I can't really cut it with the knife. And I want to make it smaller pieces anyway. So let's make some pieces. And I want roughly that part. It would be nice to have it actually clean parts. So when I have the smaller chunks, it's more surface area and it will melt faster. So I have there now, funny, it's exactly 100 grams, you could say. So 1 part of beeswax, and did I say 4 parts of oil? I don't know, but maybe I will put about 3 parts, so 300 grams, so it would be total 400, something like that. It's not so accurate. It's actually 480, so it's almost like 4 parts. And now we need to melt this for liquid. So I have here a toolbox, but actually it's a gasoline burner, and yeah, there's some gasoline left there. So this is something what the hikers use in the winter time. So I can teach you how it works. So first I have to warm it up. Of course we need pressure. I pump the pressure. It's a while ago I have been using it. Didn't remember myself either. I leave some gasoline there. And now I will light it up. Whoa. What the fuck happened? Now, put a little bit more pressure here. So we need to warm it up a little bit. As you know, gasoline is liquid. And we need to make it going as a gas. So when this is really warm, the liquid gasoline is coming through this one, and it will vaporize and it changes to gas. So I closed all the valves now, and I will open it soon. Pretty much now. I open it first just a little bit. A little bit more. And now I can hear it has the pressure. Yellow flames goes away. And now we have a boiler. Now it has been boiling about 15 minutes, I could say. It's pretty warm, small chunks left. I was hoping I could squeeze them. It will be really warm still, this liquid, so maybe I can squeeze it and it will melt there. Now this is all one beautiful liquid. I hope the container is big enough. It has some holes in the sides. Yeah, it's just enough. Everything out there. So the pot is clean for the next wax. This wax is cooling so fast. It has been there like 5 minutes. The next thing is the wax for the cutting boards, and I use the mineral oil. Oh shit, almost cut my finger. So I don't have that mineral oil so much because I don't usually like to use it. So let's use, and the funny thing, when it was liquid, the wax, everything came out pretty easily, nothing left there, I think. So let's see how much we got this. Oh, it's a big chunk actually. 250 grams, I could say. So I would put maybe 75 grams of that beeswax. Actually I will put it 85 grams, so my goal is to have about, I don't know, 340 grams. So let's, maybe you don't see what I'm doing actually, or do you? Bad. So let's take, I actually noticed when you warm it a little bit, after that beeswax is soft, you can raise this pot out from the water thing, and then you can also break these. Oh no, what happened? Oh shit, I lost it. But maybe there's, I don't know, 20 grams, so let's put about 65. It will make great video. Maybe 60. Okay, maybe there hasn't 20 grams. Let's put this 70. 70 grams. And the wax is actually good for the metal stuff also. It protects it from the rust, so you can put it on the chisels and stuff like that. Okay, a little bit more. Let's take that kind of junk. Pretty sure that is enough. Yeah, now there is that 60. So this solution, I don't need it so much because it's for the cutting boards. So it will last for me for years, I could say. So with the 1 kilo of the beeswax, I can do a lot of this wood finish. I used it like 1/5 of the piece. So let's warm this shit up. So this stuff, it's solid already and it's not even warm. So let's check it out how it comes off from the. Yeah. It's maybe a little bit soft, but it doesn't matter. It's a little bit warm from the inside. But let's make a test. I have here is it stool I think. So let's put some finish in there. Let's see how it looks like. Yes. So this is brown. It's I don't know. It's birch maybe. But I did apply some tar on it, so it made it beautiful dark brown. So this is really easy to apply, I have to say. And I can't smell anything because I lost my sense of smell with the COVID. But Katja, my wife, said that it smells like honey and really nice odor with it.